I would answer again and say I did not have a phone then. There is no police official that will arrest you and still leave you with your phone. When my phone was taken, it was not turned or switched off.
But it was pattern. It had a pattern. It was pattern locked.
Kodwa ke ifoni yakho ke kunayo ke mhlambe ke ipattern ke indlela oyivula ngayo iyaziwa wena.
Ngizophinda nguphendule futhi phambi kwenkosi enkantolo. Mina mangira court eRustenburg ngifuna into zokugeza. Ifoni yami ekhala emotweni la ngoba iringtone yakho na ngiyayazi.
My lord, when I was in Rustenburg, when I requested for cosmetics, my phone rang inside the motor vehicle since I know my
Yes.
Mina ngitshena uMabhena ngithi ngoba ifoni yami iphethe ngicela ungikhiphele inamba kaButhelezi ngifanele uButhelezi engilethele into zokugeza ngikhona futhi nokufanele ulebohile lethe impahla zokugqoba enoButhelezi.
I then requested Mabhena and I said to him, since my phone is with him, can you call Buthelezi so that he can bring for me my cosmetics and also call Kilebohile.
I'm sorry, that aspect is already on record. Sorry to interrupt. It's already on record. All that you wanted.
That cannot be fair. My Lord has always said, when a witness is answering you, you've asked a question, let the witness answer and finish his answer. Now, Mr. Alvarez disrupts the sentence because the answer is uncomfortable to him.
No, not at all, my lord. All that we asked the witness was whether the phone was pattern locked. That's all. So it's either yes or no. We did not want him to, and he's repeating what is already on record, my lord. So we're just merely trying to save time, my lord, and not uncomfortable as the counsel is suggesting.
Ramusipili ke uyabeka la enkantolo ukuthi ke inkosi enkantolo ke yachaza ngaphambilini yathi ke uma ngabe ufakazi noma ke umuntu emile ke la ephambi kwenkantolo ephendula umbuzo obuziwe kumele ukuthi anikezwe ke ithuba lokuthi ke impendulo yakhe ayibeke yonke ngokuphelele manje uthi ke Ramusipili ke kubonakala ngathi manje umshushisi ke le mpendulo omnikeza yona mhlambe ke ayihambisani naye kahlehle ingakho ke ezama ukuvimba uyaphendula umshushisi uthi cha khonjalo ke yena ke into ayibuzile ke uyabuza ukuthi ke yona le phone yakho ke le esikhuluma ngayo ke namhlanje ke inayo ke mhlambe isifanekiso ke phecelezi pattern na yiyo nje phela impendulo beyifuna kulo mbuzo lo ke labuza.
And this was based on your previous answer that your phone was not switched off, and all that we put to you was that the phone was pattern locked. This all that we were putting to you.
Wena uye wanikeza impendulo eshoyo ukuthi ke ngale nkathi ifoni ithathwa kuwena ibingacishiwe ke yena wasekubekela ukuthi noma ingacishiwe ke ifoni yakhe ke ibinawo na umfanekiso lo uvula ngayo ifoni ke iyona into nje phela lekafuna ukuthi uphendule kuyona.
Yes, but
ingoba nami phambi kwenkosi enkantolo ngifuna ukuvezela lento ekhuluma yayilona eqiniso ukuthi ngoba mina ifoni yami mangiyekhothela Rustenburg kuthiwa mangisho ipattern ibanjwe kanje ngifasiwe izandla uMabhena uyayishaya ipattern ngiyamtshela ngishaya ipattern ukuze ngithole inamba kaButhelezi.
That is why I also want to elaborate and explain that when my phone was taken from me, they wanted me to give the pattern. At that time I was handcuffed and I gave my pattern. My Mabhena used the pattern on the phone.
yes, and we don't want to interrupt. If you want to continue, you can do so. Yes.
Ngiyaqhubeka ukuthi akafuna ukuvimba ngiyaqhubeka.
Ngiyamtshela ukuthi inamba kaButhelezi ibhala uthini ibhala ukuthi Buthelezi wayikhipha wayidayala efonini yakhe wafona wanginika ifoni ngakhuluma noButhelezi.
And I also told him that Mabhena's number on the phone is saved as Mabhena. He then dialed the number and then gave me the phone and I spoke to Buthelezi.
But you have just confirmed that your phone was pattern locked. That's all that we're interested in.
Okwamanje sosibekele ke wasichazela ukuthi ifoni yakho yabe ngempela ibinaso isifanekiso. Uthi lo mshushisi ko lokho nje uyafuna ukukwazi mayelana ke nodaba lwefoni.
Nkosi enkantolo ifoni yami ayiphethe.
My lord, my phone is patterned.
Angunqabi lokho.
I'm not denying or disputing that.
Ivuliwe ukuthi ngikhona ifoni yami ivula ngikhona ngithi ngiphendule inkantolo.
My phone was unlocked in my presence. That is what I'm explaining to you.
Okay. Thank
Ingakho
you.
naphambi kwenkantolo bengibuza ukuthi kahle kahle ifoni yami ayenzwani ngamaphoyisa.
079 7153774, lasting 386 seconds, and the tower is 3G Queensuit NGA.
Siqhubekele futhi phambili futhi ke mhla ka 31 October ngo2020 isikhathi kungaba 21:28:05 iphone number ifone yakho ke ongu 0609016890 yathola ke ucingo lubuya kumama nokhanya inamba yakhe ku 071971537774 eyathatha ke imizuzwana engaba u386 nayo ke ilapha ku 3 umbhoshongo lo 3G ku Queenwood.
Just slightly over 11 minutes.
Gathatha ke ngaphezulu kwemizuzu engaba u11.
Do you have any comment
Khona mhlawumbe ufuna ukuthi
regarding this call?
mayelana ke nalo cingo lokukhuluma ngalo.
Kusenkantolo namamela phone.
My lord, I did not have a phone then.
The next call is on page 122 of 200, case ID 1031227. Your number 060-901-6890 on the 20th of November 2020 at 17:58 and 37 seconds. Received an incoming call or an MTC from Mama No Kaya's dance number 079 7153774, lasting 1,026 seconds. The tower is 2G Queensuit NGA.
Uthi futhi umshushisi ke khona futhi ke enye futhi ke i-call icingo ke owalithola suka nambeni yakho ke 0609016890 luya ke nomama nokhanya kunombolo yakhe ku
200, case ID 1031227. Still exhibit GD5E Roman figure 1. Your number 060-901-6890 on 22/11/2020 at 20:12:32 seconds. Received an incoming call or an MTC from Mama No Kaya's dance number 079 7153774, and that call lasted 336 seconds. The tower is Queensuit, is 2G Queensuit NGA.
futhi ke mhla ka 22 November ngo2020 isikhathi ungaba ke 2012-22 nombolo yakho ke engu 060 iyathola ke i-call ke ubuya kumama Nantanzi number yakho ku 0797153774 eyaba ke imizuzwana ke ngaba 336 futhi nakhona ke kumbhoshongo wakhona lapha eQueenwood.
It's about just 5.5 minutes.
Yathatha ke imizuzwana ngaba 5.5.
Oku 5 minutes ebhalwa now 5 minutes la.
I don't see
Yes.
any 5 minutes written on this document.
Yes, 336, if you divide that by 60 seconds, will give you 5.6 minutes.
Uthi yabo kunjalo ke akubhalwa kodwa ke uma uthatha ke lo 336 lo bhalela ke umhlobanisa ke kabili ke ukunikeza yona ke le 5 seconds and a half.